Duck farming can be a rewarding and profitable venture for those interested in agriculture, animal husbandry, or simply wanting to raise ducks for personal enjoyment. While it may seem daunting at first, with the right knowledge and preparation, anyone can successfully raise ducks. This guide will take you through the essential steps of duck farming, from choosing the right breed to managing their health and well-being. The first step in duck farming is selecting the right breed. There are various breeds of ducks, each with unique characteristics, purposes, and care requirements. For example, Pekin ducks are known for their meat production, while khaki Campbells are excellent egg layers. If you're looking to raise ducks primarily for eggs, consider breeds like the Indian Runner or the Welsh Harlequin. If your focus is on meat, Pekins or Muscovies might be your best bet. Research the breeds that align with your goals, and consider factors such as climate, space, and your ability to provide care. Once you've chosen a breed, the next step is to acquire your ducks. You can purchase ducklings from hatcheries, local farms, or online sources. When selecting ducklings, ensure they are healthy and active. Look for clear eyes, clean feathers, and a lively demeanor. If possible, visit the farm or hatchery to assess the conditions in which the ducks are raised. Healthy ducklings will set the foundation for a successful flock. After acquiring your ducks, you need to prepare their living environment. Ducks require a safe, clean, and spacious area to thrive. If you're raising a small number of ducks, a backyard pen may suffice. But larger operations will need more extensive facilities. The pen should be well ventilated, protected from predators, and equipped with a shelter to keep ducks safe from harsh weather. The floor should be covered with bedding material such as straw or wood shavings to absorb moisture and provide comfort. Water is crucial for ducks, and they need access to clean, fresh water at all times. Unlike chickens, ducks enjoy swimming and dabbling in water, which helps them keep their feathers clean and healthy. If possible, provide a small pond or kiddie pool for them to swim in. However, if that's not feasible, a large water trough will suffice. Ensure the water is regularly cleaned and replenished to prevent contamination. Feeding your ducks is another essential aspect of duck farming. Ducks have specific dietary needs that vary based on their age and purpose. Ducklings require a high-protein starter feed to support their rapid growth. Once they reach maturity, you can transition them to a grower feed, which is lower in protein but still rich in essential nutrients. Additionally, ducks enjoy foraging, so providing access to grass, insects, and other natural food sources can enhance their diet. Always ensure they have access to grit, which aids in digestion. As your ducks grow, it's important to monitor their health. Regularly check for signs of illness, such as lethargy, lack of appetite, or abnormal droppings. Common health issues in ducks include respiratory infections, parasites, and foot problems. Maintaining a clean environment, providing a balanced diet, and ensuring they have access to fresh water can help prevent many health issues. If you notice any signs of illness, consult a veterinarian experienced in avian care for appropriate treatment. Breeding ducks can also be a rewarding aspect of duck farming if you want to expand your flock. To breed ducks, you'll need a male and female of the same breed. Ducks are generally good parents, and the female will lay eggs that can be incubated. If you're incubating the eggs yourself, ensure you maintain the right temperature and humidity levels for successful hatching. Alternatively, you can allow the female to sit on the eggs and raise the ducklings herself. Managing your flock's overall well-being is crucial. Ducks are social animals and thrive in groups. Keeping a small flock will allow them to interact and establish social bonds, reducing stress and promoting healthier behavior. Additionally, consider rotating their grazing areas if they're free-range to prevent overgrazing and allow the land to recover. This practice also helps control pests and parasites. As you become more experienced in duck farming, you might explore value-added products. Ducks can provide not only meat and eggs, but also feathers, which can be used for various crafts and products. Additionally, duck eggs are often sought after for their richness and flavor, making them a desirable item in specialty markets. Consider diversifying your offerings to enhance profitability. Marketing your ducks and their products is another important step for aspiring duck farmers. Developing a brand and establishing a presence in your local community can help you attract customers. You can sell your ducks, eggs, and other products at farmers markets, local grocery stores, or through online platforms. Building relationships with local chefs or restaurants can also provide a steady market for your products. Finally, keep in mind that duck farming requires ongoing learning and adaptation. Join local farming groups, attend workshops, and stay informed about the latest practices and research in duck husbandry. Engaging with other farmers can provide valuable insights and support as you navigate the challenges of duck farming. In conclusion, duck farming can be a fulfilling endeavor, whether for personal enjoyment or as a business venture. By carefully selecting breeds, preparing a suitable environment, providing proper nutrition, monitoring health, and exploring marketing opportunities, you can create a thriving duck farm. With patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn, you can enjoy the many rewards that come from raising these charming and industrious birds. Duck farming is not just about the products, it's also about the connection to nature and the joy of nurturing animals that bring life and activity to your homestead.